This isn't just a simple photo shoot, it's a visual story created through light, expression, movement, and artistic confidence. Welcome behind the scene of a unique news session at Bimel Story Studio. As the camera starts rolling, everything feels calm and intentional. The studio lights are adjusted carefully, creating a soft cinematic glow that shapes the scene without overpowering it. The news settles into environment, focusing on posture, expression, and natural movement. Every small detail matters: the turn of the shoulders, the direction of the eyes, the way the light falls, and the exact moment the camera captures. What makes the artistic photography so fascinating is the balance between simplicity and emotion. There is no need for an elaborate background. The attention stays on the subject. The lighting and the atmosphere created inside the frame. The photographer changes angles, checks the composition, and experiments with different light positions. Even the smallest and adjustment can completely change the mood of an image. Now as the atmosphere shifts, the light becomes softer, the shadows gain more definition. Suddenly the same studio feels completely different. This is where a photo shoot becomes more than simple taking pictures. It becomes a creative collaboration between the photographer and the muse. Every pose is refined and every moment has purpose. Every frame is captured with intention. And the goal isn't just to capture appearance. It's to capture personality, confidence, and emotional behind every polished photograph. Are dozens of details that viewer never get to see. The lighting, the camera position, the timing, the expression, and sometimes the smallest movement creates the most memorable frame. That's the beauty of a cinematic studio session. It gives the camera a chance to slow down an ordinary moment and transform it into something visual meaningful. As the session continues, the atmosphere becomes more confident and expressive. The muse becomes comfortable with the camera, allowing more natural moment to unfold, and that's when the real magic happens. Not because everything is perfectly blended, but because the moment feels authentic. The file photographs me look